What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new motorized bike video. Yeah, my bad about the build series on this bike, but I've been busy. It's just been frustrating getting parts and everything for this bike, but I almost have it done. I gotta check for more leaks on the coolant. So this is the bike. I gotta get these front tires replaced. Zoom in on the pipe. The pipe is not done. I'm gonna paint that black as well. Got the clutch on there. Tighten up some of the cable. So you probably notice. Let me show you. So I ran the bike for a little bit, and I actually don't have the pump hooked up because let's just say it's too big. So I try to cut it and then glue it back together. It worked, but it was too long. So I'm gonna try cut it down a little bit more and then glue it back up. But that's what I have so far. I don't have the back brakes hooked up just yet. It's actually rubbing on the rotor. I'll probably have to space this out a little bit more. Gas, that's full. I mean, not really full, something a little bit in there, but I have the gauge up, the temperature gauge. So I'm watching my temps. I'm not trying to go above 70. And I just have the probe just sticked in there for right now. I have some water in there just so I know what the motor is. Like, I'm not running it that long. I just want to make sure I'm not overheating anything or damaging anything until I get this belt fixed. But I don't have the chain on, but as you can see, I don't have the pedal chain on, and it actually clears. And I have to cut this, that way it looks a little bit more presentable. I'm not sure if I want to paint this black or leave this silver. I think it kind of ties in with the silver look. I have to cut, actually I want to build a mount right here. Connect that mount up to this little standoff thing, but get a longer bolt for that. But I don't want to put too much weight on the mechanical water pump because I might shift around a lot. But yeah, as far as updates, also I want to redo this bracket, clearance it a little bit, make it look more presentable. I have a whole bunch of napkins right here because I'm leaking just a little bit, as you can see. Now I want to mess up the whole entire bike. I have to see if I can find like some type of, I don't know, seal for that. This one's here because this is shaking a lot, so I might have to build like a bumper or something like that to squeeze in there so it doesn't move as much. But right now it's solid, it doesn't move. This is not the seat that I'm going with. I'm trying to get something more comfortable. As you can see, temperature is going down, and then the RPMs actually work too as well, which is pretty cool. Let me actually show you the bike running. Alright, that was your little teaser before I get the coolant, water pump running correctly. Make sure that's all right before I rev it anymore, and then I have to do tuning as well. But that's gonna be it for this video. That's my little update. Comment below if you want to see any part of this build. I didn't even show you the pipe completely, but I did the best that I could on this pipe. I have to, like I said, I'm gonna paint it black and then probably grind it a little bit to get that looking nice, but it doesn't rub.
Perfect.